Red. Can you say red? It's the color of a juicy apple. Yum.
Let's find something else that is red. Can you think of something? That's right, a fire truck.
Red.
Now let's move on to our next color. Blue is the color of the sky and the ocean. Isn't that cool? Can you point to something blue around you? Great job. Now let's see what else is blue.
Blue.
Are you ready for the next color? Let's go. Here it comes, yellow. Say yellow with me. Yellow is the color of sunshine. It makes us feel happy. Can you jump up and down like the sun? That's so much fun.
Yellow.
Let's recap. We learned about red, blue, and yellow. If you had fun learning colors today, give a big cheer. And don't forget to join us next time for more colorful adventures. Bye-bye.